Hey guys, welcome, and today we will be making cheesy mushroom penny pasta. So let's begin. So for that, first of all I'm taking 3 tablespoons of oil in my preheated pan. After this I'm going to add 3/4 cup of my chopped mushrooms. As you can see, these are like this. Make sure that you add them when the oil has heated up. Now saute them on low flame for about 1 to 2 minutes. After a minute or two, I'm going to add 1 glass of water in it. At first, not even full, but I'm going to add half glass of water. Now make this water come to a boil. Now as you can see, my water has come to a boil. Now I'm going to add 1 packet of maggi masala. After this I'm going to add a cube of cheese. My cube is like this, but I'm going to chop it into small pieces. I'm going to add my cheese cubes like this. Oops. In this way. In continuation with this, I'm even going to add half teaspoon of my cheese sauce. So let's add it. It's approximately 1 teaspoon. If you want, you can increase its quantity too. Now I'm going to cover the lid and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now remove the cover of the lid. As you can see, our cheese is melting little by little. Now saute it for about 3 to 4 minutes so that the cheese melts perfectly. With this I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt, just a half teaspoon, because I've already added too much of cheese which contains a quite amount of salt. Now as you can see, most of the cheese has melted, so now I'm going to add approximately 1.5 bowl of penny pasta. Now saute all of them perfectly. So guys, our pasta is almost ready. Now I'm going to switch off the flame, cover up the lid and let it rest for about 5 minutes. So guys, now it's time for us to serve our pasta. Let's remove the lid. It's looking awesome and I hope it will taste awesome too. Let's check out in our plates. So here our pasta is done. I hope guys that you like watching my video. If that's so, then like, subscribe, comment and share my channel. Till the next video, bye bye.